Are you dreaming of going with that raw industrial concrete look, but realistically dreading the cost, the weight, the installation process, and everything in between? Well, today we're gonna go over how this lightweight concrete tile will solve all of those issues for you. Let's have at it. One of the most common questions we get asked when working with these lightweight concrete tiles is, what is the difference with the tiles that we use inside the home versus the exterior? And it all boils down to the specific formulation. Outside of that, the tiles are virtually identical. It is a 100% resin-free, 100% concrete mixture. It's 60% lighter than true concrete, and the color runs all the way through. Installation is an absolute breeze, and because it weighs 3.5 pounds per square foot, you can install these tiles on the floor, you can install it on the walls, and you can most certainly install it on your ceilings. We didn't do that on this build, but you can keep that in mind for your build as well. When it comes to the actual design that you pick for your home, you have a plethora of choices. You have 6 different colors. We went with the natural concrete color, but you can go with ash, limestone, clay. There's 6 different options. And then you have to decide on the type of finish that you have on the edge. You have the beveled edge, which is not 100% 90-degree angle, it's slightly rounded, or you have what we have here is a 1/4 inch mitered reveal. And then your corners. So that's where your 2 tiles will meet at a 90-degree angle. And you have a couple of choices there too. You can have the seamless, which that's done at the factory. So the concrete tiles are actually poured and there is no corner. It's just a corner piece that you get delivered. You can do a mitered corner, and all that means you take 2 tiles, you cut them at a 45-degree angle, and you combine them together like you would with trim work inside of your home. You can do this reveal, where that is an open corner on every outside edge that you have. And the architectural reveal, which is the one that we picked for this build, where you have this mitered edge, but it butts up to a straight tile piece. Let's take a look. The most impressive part with these lightweight concrete tiles is how straightforward the installation is. You have your regular plywood substrate, we have the weather barrier on top of it, we have to attach the furring strips, but only for the exterior installation, and then we adhere the tiles directly onto the furring strip. It gets a coat of this adhesive foam directly on the back of the tile where the furring strips are. You attach these tiles right onto it and you put brad nailers straight through the concrete. Super simple. For all the corner edges, as you can imagine, they're tiles, so there will be a little bit of a gap. There's a caulk that looks just like the concrete, so once everything is finished, you'll never see any seams or anything like that. The only difference for the interior is we don't have to do the furring strips or the weather barrier. It goes directly onto your drywall or the plywood, whatever you have for your interior finish. These lightweight concrete tiles are more than just a beautiful finish that you can put on the outside or inside of your home. They're an innovation that lets you get that beautiful concrete look without all the hassle of dealing with heavy poured concrete that undoubtedly will crack over time. So if you've been inspired by this episode, hit that subscribe button and share it with somebody that's just about ready to get started on their renovation project or building their new dream home. Around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.